Welcome to the Security Forms tutorial. You can easily create digital forms within our system. Security companies utilize the forms in a few ways. For example, end of job report or incident report. It allows you to digitize paper forms and routine procedures, as well as reporting system and compliance forms, all accessible from one place on your dashboard. All forms can be published to some or all users. Let's take a look at the classic example of end of job report. The Form Insights page shows me the general activity of the form. By clicking on the Preview button, you are able to see how the form looks from an employee point of view. You will be able to mark the answers, review the form as you customize it, and make sure it answers your needs. Once a form has been submitted by an employee, you will be able to access it by clicking on the Show Entries button right here. In order to review an individual entry, please click on the following icon. Here, you will be able to check your employee's answers. You will be able to see who and when this entry was submitted by, and of course, make sure that all of the fields have been filled up. You can even use the manager fields to provide feedback for your employees and change the status of the entry. For example, good job. All entries can be exported, deleted, downloaded, or printed for your convenience. Now, let's take a look of how we can create a new form. Back to the main lobby. Click on the Add New button in the top right corner. You can decide if you like to start one from scratch or use a template. Let's use a template. You will be able to search for the template or just scroll to get some ideas. Let's have a look at the COVID-19 checklist as an example. We can review the template and of course decide if it fits our needs. Once we have decided, let's select this template. When creating a form, there are 3 sections available to you. On the left-hand side, you have the menu of options. Those will be the information fields filled by your employees. As you can see, there are multiple choices. This will allow you to customize the form as you see fit. In the middle, you have your working canvas. And on the top right-hand side, you have the mobile preview. Each question in the form can be duplicated, edited, or deleted. You can add as many questions as you like, reorder them in the way you see fit. Each form has its own settings. Here, you will be able to enable comments to improve your internal communication, create automatic share options to share each entry with the relevant stakeholders, use the manager fields to create a feedback process for your employees, and of course, set automatic reminders so your employees won't ever forget to fill a form. Once you have created the form, simply click Publish. Now, let's take a look from the employee's point of view. To access the form, access the Assets tab and choose the form you want to submit. As you can see, the form's view is similar to the dashboard, with the same checklist available for your employees. Let's try filling out the COVID-19 checklist together. Please note that the field marked in red will be required, so your employees won't be able to submit a form without filling them out. Let's click Send, and that's it. Thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.